President Bongbong Marcos has ordered an investigation on alleged faulty bollards following the fatal ramming incident at NAIA. Here's the report.
President Bongbong Marcos has ordered a swift investigation into the bollards at NAIA Terminal 1. This is after a deadly vehicle crash that claimed 2 lives, including a 4-year-old girl over the weekend. The President directed the Department of Transportation to look into the procurement and installation of these bollards, which were put in place under the term of former Transportation Secretary Art Tugade. He also wants the bollards replaced for the safety of the public.
Pinaiimbestigahan na po paano po ang naging procurement pati yung specifications. Yun po ay sa pag-uutos po ng Pangulo at ito po itutugunan kaagad-agad ni Secretary Vince Dizon. At pati po ang pag-inspect sa mga bollards at ang mabilisang pagpapalit po dito para sa safety po ng nakakarami.
The President also called for the study of proposed mandatory drug testing for public utility vehicle drivers. Some drivers have expressed concerns that this may just be an added cost and could turn into a money-making scheme. But Castro clarified that this is not the intent and urged the public not to jump to conclusions.
Tandaan po natin ang inaalagaan po dito yung safety po ng commuters, ng mga tao na gumagamit ng kalsada, including na rin po yung mga drivers. So, pag-aaralan pa rin po ito at wag naman po agad nating husgahan na ito ay isang money-making device or strategy.
Meanwhile, House Assistant Majority Leader Zia Alonto Adyong called for a comprehensive review of traffic regulations and safety policies to prevent future accidents. He also raised concerns over the failure of bollards to protect passengers, particularly after the accident at NAIA Terminal 1. For her part, House Assistant Minority Leader Arlene Brosas said that a swift investigation is needed to hold accountable those responsible for the alleged defective installation.
Dapat din tingnan natin yung binibigay natin ng mga budget sa NAIA kung bakit umigay yung mga bollards. Supposedly itong bollards na to dapat iprotektahan nila yung mga pasahero eh. 'Di ba? Bakit bumigay? Substandard ba ito?
Mababaw ang bollard pero malalim ang issue ng korupsyon.